Hey, welcome to another episode of the MK2 Golf Stories. Today with a GTD. We're going to look at the seats in these because when I got the car I've been standing for a while and the seats were very wet, very dirty. So we're going to give them a bit of a clean up and see what we look like, okay? Let's do it. Hey, so here are the back seats to a GTD. They're not in too bad a condition. They're a bit wet and they need a bit of a clean. That's the backs. These are the seats themselves. They're pretty dirty, but I think they should clean up okay. So I'm just going to give them a quick vacuum and then a rub down with some leather cleaning cloths. Yeah, I'm just doing the back seats today because the front seats, well, the front seats are a bit of a different story. I have no idea what I'm going to do with these because they're pretty bad. Yeah, any ideas? Let me know. These are the wipes I'm using. Simone's leather wipes. Use them on my sofas. They're pretty good. So let's see what we do. Let's see how to bring up these grubby things. Okay, there we go. I've given them a good vacuum and a wipe down with some leather cleaner and they're looking a lot better. They don't look too bad. Yeah, don't look good when they're in. The problem I do have though is the latch. This seat's totally broken. There's part of the pin for it. So I'll flip it over, see if we can get inside and have a look. Nice and easy. This lever here just clips onto this here. Yeah, that's broken, so I need to get a new one. Oh well, it won't cost much surely. So the back of the seats, there's this little flap and they screw into there. Look, this bracket on the back of the seats screws in. Let's get them in place. Once the seats are latched in place at the top, you've got access to the bracket. It's just a case of screwing the bolts in. So the bases just have a couple of screws. One here, one here, one here. Should be one there, but I can't find it. So once I find it, I'll dig it in, get it screwed in. But yeah, that's the rear seats back in. They look a hell of a lot better than we did. It's nice to see them back in this car. Front seat's still horribly fucked though. I've only got one in because I need that to, I need to sit on that when I'm working in my car, get it started and whatnot. Still need to figure out what I'm going to do with this because as you can see, it's a disgusting state. I need to try and find a trimmer. But yeah, there we go. That's me sorting out half the seats in this car. Hopefully do another video where I get the front seats repaired and get them back in. Should be looking pretty sweet then. If you found this useful, please drop a like, maybe click on subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Thanks a lot. Bye.